you're looking for a good dash cam for your car, and you don't want anything super complicated. You don't want anything that you have to run wires or anything like that, and you want it to look like it was meant to be there. So FITCAMX makes the most OEM looking dash cams that I have seen. The only downfall of these dash cams is you have to have a fairly new car in order for them to be plug and play, because they rely on the like safety sense cameras and everything like that to be plug and play, so you don't have to run any wires. But this comes with the camera, this comes with the plastic that makes it look like OEM, and then it comes with a few other little accessories to help make things a lot nicer. A trim tool, the plug and play little harness that you're going to need, and I'm not sure what this, oh, it's a little, oh wow, this is actually nice that it comes with a SD card reader, so you can plug it into your computer and get all the data off there when you need it. This is the actual camera with the plastic shroud that makes it look OEM. No wires, no nothing. So this will literally just plug straight, like you're gonna use this will plug into the harness, and then this will plug into where the camera or the safety sense stuff already is. So let's hop in the car and actually start putting this together. All right, so hopping in the car, you will have your rear view mirror, and we got to pop this trim off here so that way we can get access to the actual wire. I just popped this center piece off right here. There's going to be 2 tabs that you want to pull down, and this will pop out. And now we got to get rid of this trim piece here, and it looks like you want to push it down because the clips go in this way. So we'll give it a push downward, and then this comes right out. So super simple. All you're going to do is just replace this with the new one. You do have to transfer over these little red clips over to this one, so shouldn't be too hard. With these red clips, you're just going to want to try to separate them from the top and bottom, and then you'll just pull them right off. There will be 2 of them on this piece. I find it easy to use the trim piece on the bottom, and then just kind of use your fingernail on the top, and then they'll come right off. So then we'll just take these, put them right on, they'll snap into place, and that is practically what you have to do for the trim piece. So now we'll have this plug right here that came with it. It's really nice that they wrap foam around here so there won't be any rattling. On here there will be this plug right here that we want to pop off. This plug will go right into it. So just that one plug is what we splice into. You should be able to push on the tab and then it will come right out. So all this dash cam is doing is pretty much just getting power from that. Okay, something you want to do, I didn't realize this came with the centerpiece here. So you're going to want to take that off. And we'll plug that in. Tuck the wires in, and then we can put that piece right back on. And now we are set. All right, so hopping in from the passenger side, you can see the dash cam. I mean, everything looks super OEM on this. I love it. I mean, all you have is a power button and I believe that's a snapshot button, and then you get access to your SD card. Not only is it easy to get access to this, it comes with one, so you don't even have to pay for one, and you know you're going to get one that's nice and compatible with your dash cam. Because I know sometimes you buy dash cams and you buy an SD card to go with it. A lot of the times the SD cards will give you issues, or they will tell you something's not compatible. So getting one that is actually compatible with it coming with your dash cam is perfect. So comes with a 64 gig memory card right there. It looks like it's a Samsung, but I think it's probably rebranded as a a FITCAMX. And now one other thing too that we got to do, make sure this is all hooked up. Don't forget to take off the little lens protector on this, because otherwise you're not going to get the picture quality that you're going to want. This is a 4K dash cam, so you're going to get really clean pictures, which I will show you in just a little bit. But let's hop in and do the features of this. You can download the app, view everything from your phone, and also download videos as well. Everything's looking good. Don't have any dash lights or anything to tell me that the collision monitoring is not working. So now we will go to the App Store, download the FITCAMX app, which is in the instructions. And one thing I have to say, just looking at this, I've had several dash cams that they actually seem to use their own proprietary app, which is always a good thing. But sometimes some of the ones that just use a generic app just to be able to view the video, sometimes they always lag out. But this seems very promising. Alright, and then once you see it on your internet, you'll join the network, and the default password, I believe, is 1234567 Go back to the app, and would you look at that, it is already recording and good to go. So you can full screen it, you can do everything you need. It might be a little overexposed right now just because of how the sun is shining at my windshield, but we'll go take a drive in a little bit and see how well this camera looks. I know they do sell a review camera that you can get for the car. I was thinking about getting it, but the problem was I just don't want to run any extra wires throughout this car. I mean, it's a brand new car, 2024. Just don't want any excess stuff going through. Sure, it might be nice to have it, but every time I do that, like, you always end up with a bunch of wires somewhere. You gotta tuck them somewhere. Never comes out good. I mean, you could always try to cut it and splice it and make it look better, but if someone actually made a nice plug and play for one that had a rear camera on it, I would definitely want to go with that. But front camera, 99% of the time, I would say it's going to give you exactly what you're looking for, because typically you'll see accidents in the front of you rather than the back of you. Sure, you might get someone who runs in the back of you, but you still have proof on this dash cam that someone had hit you from the back. So and it's not like you're going to grab a license plate using the back camera, because it doesn't see any license plates. But you'll still have proof no matter what during an insurance claim or something like that. But I think this thing is super amazing. It literally blends in. You would never know. It's not interfering with any of the radar, cruise control, anything like that. So that is a plus sign. So now if we hop in on the app, you can see you can start recording, you can pause the video, you can take a snapshot of a picture, you can also take a snapshot and a picture. One thing I am noticing, this camera does not make any noise whatsoever, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to make noise or not, but I do see there is some settings with the sound recording, speaker, video resolution. So maybe you have the sound. I think sound recording is just recording the sound as well as the videos. Gives you the timestamp, driving collision detections. If it does sense any type of G-force of certain point, you can set it to least sensitive, medium, or most sensitive. It'll lock that video until you need to delete it. Camera language, I'm going to change that to English. Parking monitor detection, I'll turn this on as the least sensitive thing, but I guess if someone bumps into your car, it notices something, it'll start recording even when it's not on. The resolution of the video, so you can put it all the way up to, I believe, 4K, and then I think this is 2K down below. So it should be good enough to read license plates, and we'll see how that looks. You can get access to all your files straight from your phone. You can click through, you can go through your videos. Then you can download the videos as well to your phone, so you can easily access those. So yeah, everything so far on this camera definitely seems like a great quality camera, so have no issues so far. Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. This dash cam has to probably be my favorite thing to put on this car, because just how OEM this thing looks, I honestly would recommend it to anybody who has a newer car that you can plug right into. This, I believe, I know they do it for the 22 to 2024 Corollas. I think the earlier ones are slightly different, but I believe they do sell a kit for that. And not only does this work for Corollas, I mean, it'll practically work for any cars that they make a harness for that has the safety sense stuff in there. So not just Toyotas, this will work for any other brands if they do sell them or not. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.